Hello. Good morning, guys. How are you to all? Guys, I would like to tell you to all my subscriber and not subscriber, my viewers, thanks a lot to like and share my video. Also for my short video. Thank you for all. God bless po sa inyong lahat. At na-bless nyo po yung aking video sa inyong pag-view. Na-bless nyo po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan. This is a simple message for all my subscriber and not my subscriber. To all YouTuber, God bless and thanks a lot for all. And just follow for my YouTube channel and please like and share. Then I would like to tell you guys, I have want something to want my chef to give me this one. Yesterday he gave me for me this one, the orange, but now only I see because have name for my name. You see, I have name Adele. Now only I see this one. The name for the logo is Adele. I have orange for my morning breakfast. Thank you and God bless you. To always give for my blessing to all my friends and my chef this one. Guys, hindi ko na po patatagalin ang aking pagbablog. Kinakamusta ko lang po kayo. Ako pa yung mag-aalmusal. Naisipan ko pong mag-kwento-kwento dito at kasi kakain po sana ako ng orange. Pagkita ko may pangalan po siya. Tapos magpapasalamat na rin po ako sa lahat ng subscriber ko talaga. Thank you for all na nagla-like at nagbo-view ng aking mga cakes, sa aking mga cakes na ginawa namin ng mga sabang ko at ginawa ko rin. At wag po kayo magsawang manood sa aking mga video at mag-like. Thank you po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po tayo sa araw-araw. God bless and always pray. Thank you. More power to all. Adele Aguilar Channel. Bye.